سلام علیکم، یالا بفرما.
السلام علیکم.
علیکم السلام و رحمت الله. بفرما بزرگوار.
Am I speaking to Chef?
Yes, yes.
الرحیم.
نعم, yes.
Subhanallah, I'm very honored. I didn't know I was going to speak to you directly.
May Allah bless you. Allah keep you well. You're on live show. You want to speak on live show?
MashaAllah. Well, I'm an American Indian. I embraced Islam 30 years ago.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
I know Islam is Deen al-Haq, without a doubt, but I was under, the Sunni school of thought, Imam Shafi'i. But I've been watching your videos, and I know without a doubt, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah wa ashhadu Ali wali Allah.
Ahsantum. Very good. May Allah bless you.
I live and I die in al-Iman. I don't know if I'll ever see you, but I make dua for you.
Thank you so much. May Allah bless you. We are so honored to hear your voice.
MashaAllah. I'm here in the Inland Empire. I have a question for you, Yashir.
Yes.
In the Sunni thought, in Surah Al-Qiyamah, verses 22-23, they interpret, they do tafsir of that particular verse, saying that they say, I'm not attributing it to myself, I'm saying they say that we're going to see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the eyes in the hereafter. If Allah is perfect and He doesn't change, how can He change? How can they say, but no, we'll have a different body, different eyes.
Yeah.
But I know that Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, alayhi salam, someone had asked him, how can I see Allah? And he asked him to look to the sun, and he looked and he couldn't look anymore, and he said, Subhanallah, if you cannot look at the creation, how can you think you can look at the Creator?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So I need the proper interpretation of that.
Oh, definitely. We will do that.
So Surah Al-Qiyamah, and mashallah.
Yeah, inshallah. I'll give you the proper interpretation of that ayah. Thank you so much, sister. May Allah bless you. Allah keep you well. And I'll give my salams to your family, please.
I surely will. And you know what? My mom and my dad and my brothers all became Muslims.
MashaAllah. That's so wonderful.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much, sister. Inshallah, keep us in touch. And I have an email account. The email address appears on the screen. You can stay in touch.
I've been seeing you for some years, actually. Even if you're speaking in
really?
Arabic,
I'm planning on beginning some shows in English, inshallah, very soon,
please
inshallah.
Do.
Yeah.
Please do. And I wish I could speak Arabic. I know it's Lughat al-Jannah, but I'm trying.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah give you success and keep you well. Thank you, sister. Inshallah. Nashkurukum. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you and keep you well. بینندگان محترم، ایشان از آمریکایی هستند و ایشان خوب عربی یاد گرفته، ایشون با لهجه عرب صحبت میکنن و ایشان از سرخپوست های آمریکاییه و ایشان 30 سال پیش مسلمان شده و بعد ویدیوهای ما را در یوتیوب دیده و ایشان شیعه شده، شکر خداوند متعال، و خانواده‌اش هم، برادرش، پدرش، اینا شیعه شده و ایشون شهادت به ولایت اهل بیت علیهم السلام هم دادند. و خب از مسلمانان آمریکا، کسانی که مسلمان میشن سعی میکنن عربی هم یاد بگیرن، ایشان یک مقدار عربی هم ماشاءالله یاد گرفتن. من الان ایشون سوال کردن درباره آیه سوره قیامت. در سوره مبارکه قیامت در آیه 22 23 آن اینجوریه، من الان به انگلیسی جواب میدم تا ایشان متوجه بشود. وجوه یومئذ ناظره الی ربها ناظره. بله، وجوه یومئذ ناظره. These are the verses that you refer to, my sister, in Surah Al-Qiyamah. وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربها ناظرة. There are faces on the day which are very delightful, which are very happy. إلى ربها ناظرة. Towards their Lords, ناظرة. ناظرة. Towards their Lords, they, if you want to interpret it according to non-Shias, it means they watch. They see, they watch, they look, they gaze towards their Lord. And the non-Shias interpret these verses as we see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. And they have many traditions in their books that people see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment. According to our belief, and we follow Ahlul Bayt alayhim as-salam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is immaterial. Allah is not material. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of all things that are material, but he himself is not material. He cannot be described as physique, as being physical, material. You can see only things that are material. Seeing, sensing with the eye, with the sight. It requires that you have obviously the sight, the eyes, the body part in your body through which you see, and also that thing which you see should be at a distance from you, and that thing must be limited, and that thing must be physical and material, or at least it should be qualities of something that is material. For instance, we see anger, we see happiness. Happiness itself is not very physical thing, but it is the quality of something physical. Or we see redness, or see blackness, or we see, we see only the things that are physical or material, or they are the qualities of material things. All material things, my sister, they are made of parts, and they have a beginning and they have an end, and they change. And all things that they have beginning and they have end and they change, they cannot be the creator of the heavens and the earth. They cannot be the creator of everything itself. It's full of needs. All physical things, they are finite, and they need a creator. They need not only the creator, they need so many other things. They need space to be in, and they have so many other needs. If those needs are not there, that thing perishes or it disintegrates. Therefore, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not material. Material things are finite. Material things are temporal. They are within the certain time limit. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of all material things. Material things cannot create other material things. Material things, I'm material, you are material. This book is material. I cannot create a book. Creating a book means not using any material to create matter. I cannot do that. I can change the form of this book. For instance, I take papers and bind them together and make a book, but I just change the form of something that was existent. But if nothing existed and I want to create, I cannot. No material thing can create something from nothing. Material things cannot be the creator. Material things are subjects of creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So how do we interpret these verses? This is Tafsir al-Burhan fi Tafsir al-Quran, written by famous Shia scholar العلامة المحدث السيد هاشم البحراني الجزء الثامن, the 8th volume. It was printed in Dar al-Mujtaba alayhi salam in Qom in Iran. وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربها ناظرة. وجوه يومئذ ناظرة أي مشرقة. Faces in the day which are مشرقة. مشرقة means so delightful that it's radiating with light. Radiating with light. إلى ربها ناظرة. قال ينظرون إلى وجه الله عز وجل يعني إلى رحمة الله ونعمته. إلى ربها, towards its Lord they gaze. It means towards the ni'mah, towards the mercy, towards the blessings, towards the rewards of their lords they gaze. It doesn't mean they're looking at Allah, no. إلى ربها, towards it means they. And such speech is a very, very prevalent and eloquent form of speech. When you say they gaze towards something, and you mean they gaze towards something associated with that thing. إلى ربها ناظرة, they gaze and they look and they anticipate and they wait for the rahmat of Rabb, the mercy of Rabb, the mercy of the blessings of the rewards of the Creator. This narration from Ibn Babawayh, from Shaykh al-Saduq Ridwanullahi alayh, from the 8th Imam Ali ibn Musa al-Rida alayhi salam, أنه قال وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربه الناظرة، يعني مشرقة ناظرة، مشرقة, radiating with joy, with happiness, with delightfulness. تنظر, they gaze at ثواب ربها, they gaze at the ثواب, the rewards of the Lord. When there are many other narrations, we suffice on this much in this program, inshallah. I hope I'll have some English shows for you in the future, inshallah. So my brethren and sisters who do not understand Farsi or Arabic, so they could learn, inshallah, from my English shows. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم.